ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនអំពី clear phrasal verb throw up តើ throw up មានអត្ថន័យនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់របៀបម៉េច throw up គេឲ្យនិយមន័យថា to vomit មានន័យថាក្អួតហើយយើងប្រើវាដូចជាកិរិយាសព្ទធម្មតាដែរតើឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលឧទាហរណ៍ទាំងអស់គ្នាឧទាហរណ៍ទី1 I don't know why she keeps throwing up I don't know មានន័យថាខ្ញុំមិនដឹង why មានន័យថាពីហេតុផល she keeps throwing up ដែលនាងគិតតែពីក្អួត I don't know why she keeps throwing up ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត She has been throwing up since the day before yesterday Should we take her to the hospital She has been throwing up មានន័យថានាងបានក្អួត since the day before yesterday មានន័យថាមុនថ្ងៃម្សិលមិញ so yesterday ម្សិលមិញមុនថ្ងៃម្សិលមិញនឹងទៀត so ពីរថ្ងៃមុន Should we take her to the hospital មានន័យថាតើពួកយើងគួរតែយកនាងទៅមន្ទីរពេទ្យដែរឬទេ She has been throwing up since the day before yesterday Should we take her to the hospital ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត What did you eat? Why did you throw up? What did you eat? មានន័យថាតើអ្នកបានញ៉ាំអ្វីខ្លះ Why did you throw up? មានន័យថាតើហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកក្អួត What did you eat? Why did you throw up? ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត Have you ever seen someone throwing up blood? Have you ever seen someone មានន័យថាតើអ្នកដែលធ្លាប់ឃើញអ្នកណាម្នាក់ throwing up blood ដែលក្អួតឈាម Have you ever seen someone throwing up blood ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត After he ate he threw up After he ate មានន័យថាបន្ទាប់ពីគាត់បានញ៉ាំរួច he threw up មានន័យថាគាត់បានក្អួត After he ate he threw up ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I don't feel good I feel like throwing up I មានន័យថាខ្ញុំ don't feel good មានន័យថាមិនមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អ I feel like មានន័យថាខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថា throwing up មានន័យថាចង់ក្អួត I don't feel good I feel like throwing up ឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I didn't get much sleep last night My daughter had been throwing up all night I មានន័យថាខ្ញុំ didn't get much sleep មានន័យថាមិនបានដេកគ្រប់គ្រាន់ last night យប់មិញ My daughter មានន័យថាកូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំ had been throwing up all night មានន័យថាកូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំនឹងក្អួតពេញមួយយប់ I didn't get much sleep last night My daughter had been throwing up all night ឧទាហរណ៍ចុងក្រោយ How long has she been throwing up មានន័យថាតើនាងក្អួតយូរប៉ុន្មានថ្ងៃហើយ How long has she been throwing up I don't know why she keeps throwing up She has been throwing up since the day before yesterday. Should we take her to the hospital? What did you eat? Why did you throw up? Have you ever seen someone throwing up blood? After he ate, he threw up. I don't feel good. I feel like throwing up. I didn't get much sleep last night. My daughter had been throwing up all night. How long has she been throwing up? មេរៀនរបស់យើងបានឈានមកដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ហើយនាងខ្ញុំបានឡើងសូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានមករៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាមួយនាងខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណសូមជួបគ្នានៅវគ្គក្រោយជម្រាបលាបាយ